And we're back with another review. Today it's going to be the Bestech Malware, a new knife collaboration between Todd Knife and Tool and Bestech. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. We don't like to waste time with the particulars. You see there you get a warranty, cleaning cloth, and a case. Let's just get it open. Ooh. Alright, we'll start off. We'll do specs. So this is the Bestech Malware. It's a new knife from Bestech. Very futuristic design. It's almost 9 inches, 8.75 from tip to hilt. The blade length is just short of 4 at 3.875. The whole blade almost has a complete cutting edge. It's a little shorter, about 3.6. The blade is Cpm S35vn. Wharncliffe style blade. Has a flat grind. Black stone washed finished. It's a FRAMELOCK and a manual flipper. Tip up carry pocket clip. So you can see the titanium pocket clip has been anodized. Also has a matching backspacer. This knife is very light, 3.68 ounces. Unfortunately, it is right hand only. The handle width measured at the widest point is 1 inch. And the handle length is just short of 5 inches. I believe it's like 4.875, something like that. This is another one of those see-through, feel-through, flow-through, whatever you want to refer to it as, where you can see right through it. Makes it light, easy for cleaning. But no matter what it looks like, we want to show you how it cuts. So let's grab some stuff to cut here. Start off with some paracord. Nice push through cut. Pull through. A little bit of cord. I did that a little too quickly. I'll let you watch. We'll bring over some cardboard. Try to see how the whole blade cuts. I think our cardboard's seen better days. It's not bad. Obviously with this point on it, it's meant for that type of cutting. As you can tell, it cuts a lot smoother in the forward position than it does pulling back, as you would expect with this Wharncliffe style blade. Bring over some burlap, twist it up, make it a little more difficult. I don't think it's going to be a problem. Cuts right through. This Malware, so that's a nice name. I like that. It comes in 2 different varieties. This black with a little bit lighter, like a gray style blade, and then a gray titanium with a satin finish blade. You can find them both on AtlanticKnife.com for $196. So these are nice high-end knives that stay under $200. Also, I forgot to mention that it has a, I guess a finger hole, so you can open it, flipping it with your thumb. I'm more of a flipper guy, and I'm normally always one hand, except when I'm doing videos. Since I'm looking at the camera or the screen, I try to use 2 hands. Seems to be safer. If you're watching on IGTV, make sure you hit the like button if you like what you see. And if you've watched this long, maybe you do. Also follow at Atlantic Knife on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel. We do a weekly show. I believe this one is going to be in our episode 10 coming up, where Joel and I do a humorous take on knives. We do tons of videos. I believe we have 14 or 1500 posted. So it's well worth following us if you're into knives. And on that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, and I am signing off.